So I'm still in Chemult, Oregon. That's the way to say it. Chemult, Oregon. It's still very bleak. I haven't seen the sun since I got here. It's all overcast, and the blizzard overtook everything. There's bulldozers all over town trying to uncover the roads. It's just getting here was a challenge. I had to walk through all of that snow, literally, with my boots deep, maybe knee deep in some places. It's cold. It's cold. I have two jackets, the green one and this one, plus a t-shirt, and a thermal. Same thing. I have pants and thermal, two pair of socks, and these heavy-duty boots that are, I think they're almost impermeable. That means that they're water resistant, but I still feel my feet a little bit frozen. I sure want to get out of this snow. It's extreme weather. It is very extreme. Now I'm waiting here for the train. This is the train station. Of course, the train tracks nowhere to be seen, but I saw a train pass here about 20-30 minutes ago, so I'm positive the train actually comes. It was a cargo train, and the next one is supposed to be a passenger train. It actually makes a stop here, so I'm gonna, keep waiting, and I'll probably head to Eugene next. I'm being told that the snow is not there, but they have rain, so at least that's better. It's a big city. I probably could find shelter. At least I stayed in a hotel room yesterday, so that's good. But you never know, right? So, goodbye from Chemult, Oregon.